we may not have programming languages or even interfaces in 10 years. I've kind of like believe in this too, is that like he says, if you project forward, you have to think forward to a world in which it's just, I'm going to tell the thing what I need and it's going to do it in whatever way is most optimal. Mm-hmm. And so like, I think this is another one where you have to like, I don't know why you need this stupid iterative step of UI. Like, again, like when you're setting up Claude Code or you're like building something in there and it tells you to like go to a website and you're just like, dude, just go do it. You're like, I don't care. Like, but you go to these sites, like you like navigate to it and you can see all like the love and effort that people put into like the buttons and the placement, like all the things that we used to actually spend a lot of time thinking about. And you're like, I don't care. Like just if the AI can navigate it, it can navigate it. So I think, I think voice is going to be huge, obviously, but I don't think you need these abstraction layers anymore. Like, when I talk to you right now, it's not like you're like thinking and then drawing me a picture of what you're thinking about. And then it's like, we just talk and like, this is basically what's going to happen.
Yeah. I do think, we see it today, right? There will be different models at different quote unquote intelligence levels. And we're not going to ask, what is the most optimal or how are you doing this? The same way we do with employees or team members today. It's just like, go do the thing. Here, I want you to get to Z. That's the outcome I want. Get there. Right. And here's what I need you to do it by. Mm-hmm. And like, I don't care if you do it in a suboptimal way or the most optimal way, right? Just get the job done.
Like I have no idea how much compute that just took your brain. Like maybe it was a lot, maybe it was a little, I don't know.
Like, I don't know. Like it just, you and the smarter guy did it in the same 24 hours. Like, great.
Yeah, it's fine. It's funny. I had a friend text me yesterday in the Midwest, not in tech, and he's got a company, like a physical business company, and he was like, yeah, I'm thinking about just handing my business over to OpenClaw, and I was like, I probably wouldn't do that quite yet. I think you could. He's like, what do you think? I was like, it just seems a little, but like, it's the genie's out of the bottle. Yeah. Like, if my buddy in the Chicago suburbs who's like not in tech at all is like, I can just have this robot do everything for me, then, you're building for a world of robots. Everyone knows this now, but like, I do think the end of that is if you were going to start a company today, I don't think it looks, I really think it's like, it's around the brand, it's around trust. And then it's really purely an API that, can be used by these AIs. And then you have some super simple interface, and you don't overthink it and you aren't like precious with it. And you just make it easy to use for the people who are still on the other side of the fence,